Hello everyone, welcome to today's SMC Discord tutorial. And today I'll be teaching you guys how to claim your Uprock allocation from the Jupyter launchpad. So let's get right into the video. So a few days ago, Uprock uploaded a link in which you could go check your Uprock allocation prior to their launch on the Jupyter launchpad. But however, few people have been finding it hard to do that. Some are new to the Jupyter launchpad and they don't know how to operate that. So in this video, I'll be giving you an extensive guide on how to claim your Uprock allocation. So let's get right into it. So first off, you copy this link on thread now. Copy the link. And once you copy the link, you go to your Solana wallet browser that you use for the airdrop task, and then you paste it on the browser. So let's get right into it. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using my Solana wallet. So I'll be using this here. Yes, I clicked on my browser, and as you can see, I already searched it, so it's here. Then you scroll to the bottom after claiming, and here is it, my Uprock allocation. Then you click on claim. Okay, connect to my wallet again. My wallet connected. Here I just have 32 Uprock. Click on claim, and make sure you have a little bit of Solana in your wallet. Yes, for gas. And here you can see the amount of gas, $0.63. Then you slide to approve. And just like that, you have claimed your Uprock. So let me go back to my wallet, and here is it. Here is the Uprock in my wallet. Yeah, this is it, my wallet. So that's how I do it. Thank you all for watching.